here again. Every Thursday, we are back on orbit here at Monarch Bay. Another round of golf. So we're gonna have to see who's gonna win this time. A lot of people. These are the guys. Ayun. What happened? Umakit na kagad yung likod. Back pain.
Hindi pa nakikita yung kwento eh.
Hindi nga ma-update pa. It's tailor-made. We have another Callaway here. We're in Genesis. Callaway again. So everybody's playing with Callaway and Taylor. There it is. Meron nang naunang tumira. Ano bang ginagamit mo? Tingnan natin yan. There it is. X R. Bossing, anong gamit natin? Panalo yan, no? Same. Suwabe. Gamit ni Baslio. Ikaw, Bossing. Ayan, no?
That's my team.
Yung mga ano, Team Callaway, oh. Wala kami. Wala yung ano ko, yung tailor-made ko, hindi ko dala yan. So, first swing. Panalo. Winner. Alright.
Bakit pinag-iyaw ko?
Oh. Lansimida. Oh, on the tee. Ano masasabi niyo sa tira ni Leo? Suabe. Very nice. Good shot. Mr. Mario on the tee.
Ganda. Gandaan ko rin. Ganun din natira ko.
Perfect shot. Alright, let's see. Titira na yung sim. Ang hotel. Pemingay. Ayaw mag-stay ng bola na. Hanap pa kagad ni Mario. Nice. Ayun o, gitnang-gitna. Yan.
There you go.
Na, delikado na ako.
This is it.
Yep.
Yeah. There you go. Wow. Tapos sa kabila.
What's rated?
At, anong driver yan, bro?
Callaway.
Wow. Super. There you go. That's a GBB Epic, my friend. What's that?
Marami ng Google ba?
Practice swing. There you go. Whoa. Nice shot.
Yun, no? Okay. Right. Round 2. We're going in. Hello, may title. I have my own caddy. Hit the ducks. So we're heading out to first hole. Ang ulit na sa gilid. Oh, yung bola. Looking for your ball and mine. Alright, here we go. First round. Someone's still looking for their ball, which is Genesis. So we started out early today. Good timing. There's another one hitting over there, Mr. Mario. Alright. Second shot. Beautiful. Alright, hole number 2. Stinger again. Super low. Alright, next. Live ba yan? Live ba yan? Live to. Live streaming tayo. Super Mario. Super Mario. Oh, nice. Taas lang. Bugs. Okay, pag na. Wait, kanan. Tarpat. Bago mag-tarpat. Ayun, no? The juice. Here we go. Yan, no? Pause mo na kayo. Perfect. Oh! Alright, now we're on our way to the third tee. First shot. This wasn't that good. Took it over the bay. All these people. Monarch Bay. Second shot of Mr. Rinaldo. It went up. There it is. Alright, we are hole number 3. Who's gonna go first? Oh, Mario Dumagan went first. This is it. Pansit. Nope. Turned already. Good try. Hey, last chance. For $8. Lakas. For bogey. Nobody. Ito na. We're going to part 3 for carryover. I finally found
somebody has to leave.
bar 3, number 4. We are on number. Oh. Alright. Somebody. Ayan o. Yan yung champion ng part 3 oh. Oo naman. Big money to, big money. This is it. This is it for $4. Nice speed. Nice speed. Ay! Yun o. Ganda ng gulong o. Ay sus, tumigil sa taas. Ikaw na bossing. Kaya na yan. In a hole. Eh. Ito na pangtay natin.
Ooh, hyper.
Here it is. Hole number 4. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Beer pa mo, ayan o. Tira ng course yung isa o.
Carry over to ha.
Alright. Make it count. Medyo sa kaliwa. Good shot. Center. Nice. Ordones on the tee. Nice shot. Ayun o. Alright. Mr. Gorospe on the tee. Nice. You know. Ito na yung kon. Kilabot ng Sambales. Nice. Ayos yan. Everybody on, boy. Everybody on. Fire. Ito na. Ito na yun. Ito na yung long track champion. Ito na.
Yan, ganun lang.
Yan na yun.
Yan.
Yun, layo.
You're in the fairway, you're good.
For 2. We're back on the way to number 8. So far, the sun is about to go down. We're almost finishing up the first 9. We'll see where we're gonna end up. We might end up at hole number 10, but who knows? See how fast these players. The birdie putt, but he missed it. So far, we're almost to the end. We're almost done. Nice view of the bay. Mostly the mountain, there's the bay, there's the sun. And getting close to the end. Say hi! There you go. Alright, we are on hole number 9. This is it, gents. Somebody needs to win. Take it, that's you. Up. Come on, Mario. You can do it, buddy.
This is my
This is it. Kailangan you have to own it. Ayan, no? I can still see the UCT badge. Proud.
150 in the house.
150. Balik mo na yung dating ladies ka shop.
150.
It's not working.
For now.
Oh my God. Ano nangyayari? Tumitingin ka kagad.
Balance na naman ako, no? Meeting ako pa naman. Pinakukuha ka sa camera. Dapat walang camera next time.
Oh, si Dolok. Yung diretso. Ayos. Yung. Perfect.
150.
No more money ka, no? Pareho dyan.
150.
Okay, this is now hole number 9. We are desperate. Somebody's gotta get it. Come on, this is already number 10. Get it over. You better make it count.
Yes! Yes!
Ayo, ang ganda ng spin, oh.
Uy, pwede pa.
Good shot, good shot.
Pwede pa yun. Oh, ang ganda rin. Itim. Oh, sayang, oh.
Talmay!
Ito.
Talmay!
In the hole!
Luligan. Pangalawa.
That's it, number 2. Last shot. Come on, guys. You can do it. It's okay, it's okay. Good shot.
Ayaw pre ang green like last week.